Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best double Papasan chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rattan Papasan chair with cushion. If you are looking to have an upgraded comfort, then this is the best product for you. The double Papasan chair comes in a wonderful design, and you can also select the cushion from 5 different colors. The cushion is very thick, which will let you sit comfortably on it. Moreover, it comes in a unique shape and lets you spot clean it. The chair is in the diameter of 42 inches and will easily fit an adult person. This will enhance with any decor and is also a durable product. Furthermore, it is sturdy and will let you rest in any corner you want. There will be no lumpiness and is ideal for relaxing. The comfortable furniture will let you snuggle with a child, and it is also lightweight. This is easy to put on and is a highly recommended product. It is one of those products that you can buy blindly as far as the quality goes. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Urban Shop Folding Moon Chair. Available in many different colors, this double Papasan chair comes in a large size and is very comfortable. It will look great in your backyard or balcony and will let you enjoy the cool breeze of nature. This is made of polyester and also includes polyester fill. Moreover, you can place it in your home and enjoy watching television or reading a book. Furthermore, this is very stylish and will complement the look of your home. The chair is very strong and has a weight capacity of 225 pounds. This is very suitable for kids as well as adults, and you can clean it with ease by just wiping it. Apart from having spot cleaning, this comes in a traditional saucer shape. It comes in a collapsible design and provides a cozy seat. You can transport it easily as it is foldable and does not weigh much. At number 3, we have the Art to Real Papasan chair. Here is another great double Papasan chair which has comfortable deep seating. With this, you can enjoy the cool breeze by sitting in your balcony. It has a soft cushion, and the backrest is of 20 inches. Moreover, you can adjust it in your own position as it will let you have an all-around swivel of 360 degrees. The cushion is fade and UV resistant and is very suitable for outdoors. Furthermore, this has a durable steel frame and has a robust construction which makes it last for a long time. The product is very easy to assemble and can be done in just 15 to 30 minutes. You can select the cushion from 2 different colors. At number 2, we have the Rattan Wicker Swivel Papasan chair. This double Papasan chair comes in a round design and is available in light brown color. This is handmade and is very strong. It is lightweight and comfortable and is very beautiful. Moreover, it will look great in your home and will go in any room. This is a swivel chair which will make your life fabulous. Furthermore, this is made of eco-friendly materials and has a huge tufted cushion. This is very convenient and will let you rest in it comfortably. This will last for a long time and is very easy to assemble. It is simple yet stylish and will easily go with the decor of your room. This is of high quality and has been handcrafted by skilled craftsmen. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dormitory Papasan chair. With an all-around swivel of 360 degrees, this double Papasan chair will allow you to position it in your own choice. This is very easy to adjust and will look great at home or in the backyard. The chair is very comfortable and will let you have deep seating. Moreover, this comes with a soft cushion which is 4 inches thick. Furthermore, this made up of sturdy material and will last longer. It has robust construction and is resistant to fade. The cushion is also UV and plush resistant, and you can easily replace and wash it. You can easily assemble this chair and can be done in less than 30 minutes. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.